Maayong adlaw sa tanan. Atong i-discuss today kung ang pagtaas ba sa basic na sahod is helpful or will just worsen our situation. Una sa tanan, malipay gyud ta kung mag-increase ang atong basic pay. Correct? But ang question karon is if increasing our basic pay will help us or just worsen our situation. Personally, and based sa ako ang na-learn, increasing basic pay will not help us progress as a nation. Based sa economic law, if the supply increase, the prices will go down. And if the supply is low, the prices will go up. So based pa lang sa economic law, meaning naga-increase karon ang price sa isa ka empleyado because the supply is low. Meaning walay naga-produce og employment, no other jobs being created because of lack of economic activity. So ang pag-increase sa sahod guys is okay temporarily because we feel good na nitaas atong sahod. However, eventually, employers will also demand the increase for their services and products. And if that happens, so mga basic na palitunon o mga kailangan natong palitunon will also increase in prices. So, ang question ko ron, based sa information na akong gihatag sa inyo ha, okay ba ang pagtaas sa sahod? Makatabang ba siya or will just worsen our situation?